hosting the HIV and AIDS Tribunal. As members of the legal sector, we both have synergy and a common goal towards access to justice of vulnerable groups, and in this case, especially people who face violations of HIV and AIDS. FIDA, as the premier women's rights institution in Kenya, has focused over the years on access to justice provision through pro bono lawyers, through our in-house lawyers, as well as through alternative dispute resolution and its assessmentation. And so today we are really excited to be hosting the HIV and AIDS Tribunal, a very important mechanism in terms of justice in Kenya, to enhance the efficacy of their justice dispensation by assisting victims who need to appear before them, by offering free legal aid service, psychosocial support, as well as just preparing them on how to appear before the tribunal, because the more Kenyans we have who are free and ready to appear before the tribunal, the better we'll have in terms of the judgments and the decisions that come out of this tribunal. And overall, as a country, we'll be able to safeguard the rights of persons living with HIV and AIDS. And so FIDA is going to be in this journey with the HIV and AIDS Tribunal, and we look forward to a fruitful partnership and supporting them, not only as members of the same legal fraternity, but also Kenyans who are keen to enhance human rights in this country.
We're quite delighted as the HIV and AIDS Tribunal to be able to partner with FIDA Kenya, which, as the Executive Director has said, is a premier organization dealing with women's rights in Kenya. So as a tribunal, which is the first of its kind in the world, this partnership goes a long way to ensuring that the women of Kenya, particularly those who are stigmatized for their HIV status or perceived status, have an avenue through which they can seek redress. We know that one of the challenges to many litigants is the affordability of legal representation, and now that we are able to partner with FIDA, who will be able to come in to support these litigants, we can have a better representation before the tribunal, and hopefully we'll have some great jurisprudence coming out of the tribunal as well. We hope that this goes a long way to not only advancing the rights of women, but of the society in general, because we know that stigma is one of the issues facing the fight against the pandemic, and that one of the ways to address this would be to address stigma. That way, we have more people testing, we have more people knowing their status, because they know they will not be stigmatized for it, and we have more people taking the ARVs. So one way of dealing with this pandemic will be to deal with the issue of stigma.